Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. In the yesterday session, we saw that how we can use a Python inbuilt module in our program. So today we will see how we can create our own module in which we will create methods, and that methods we will use in our Python program. So I will show that in Visual Studio. So here is one of my folder, that is YouTube code, in which I will create one folder, my module, in which I will create my methods that I will import. So this is one folder. In that folder, I need to create one file __init_dot.py. This file is mandatory if you want to create that folder as a module. So now I can leave that file as a blank. So here I will create one more file, app.py, that will contain my methods that I will use. So add, it will take two parameters, suppose num1 and num2. I will print, will return that. Return num1 plus num2. Now I will compile that. So this is compiled, and if I will refresh that, yeah. Now what I will do, I will create one more file. Not here, I will create that in the main folder. Suppose my example one.ipynb, in which I will import my module. Now I need to write the file name. You can see it's in the suggestion also. So this is app. So I will replace that by from. Suppose now I want to import a specific method, that is add only. So I will import add and print add 5 plus 5. I will run that. One argument is missing in num2 position. So to check that, so this is num1 and this is num2. I will return that. Now I will run that. Can go in the app.py, my module. Sorry, I need to put that comma here. Yeah. So this is how we can use a method. I will create one more method here, or you can create one more file, f1.py. So now I will create one more, subtract num1 and num2. I will return num1 minus num2. Now I will run that. So this is compiled. I will go in my Jupyter file. I will code here. Suppose I will import my module dot app import one import sub. So now I will pass two parameter. So suppose first parameter is 10, second is 5. I will run that. So the answer is 5. So this is subtract. Like that, you can define other thing also. So these sub and add method I have not defined in that Jupyter file. This is I have defined in that folder, and this is behaving like package and module and method. So now I am importing that package, I am importing that module, and in which I will use that sub. So this is how we can use that. So like that you can create your own module and you can use that at multiple location. You need to define that once. Just remember one thing, you need to create that underscore underscore init file. So now this will behave like a package. So just remember about that. If you will not create that file, your folder will not behave like a package. So that's it for today. So thank you, like the video and subscribe the channel.